Managed to get the whip, finally.
League's task completed.
And it's 200 points. I think it's time for another area unlock. With unlock Preminic. And I'm certain I'm doing this right. It's unlocking me some skills, guarantee. A lot of fun content. Boss areas, yeah. Let's go down this trapdoor. Because now we can do this actually. Right, you must visit Keldagrim, okay. So easy. So for my plans, I need a lot of marble blocks. So let's get a bunch of... I wanted to build this a long time ago.
League's task completed.
Guild altar, that's why I'm 75 construction. Now for the rest, I have the marble blocks and let's do just simply this. Let's spend the max cash stack. I think this is way enough.
League's task completed.
And here we have 99 construction just like that. This demonic throne gives me 400 points.
Completed.
25 million construction experience. And it's just a flyby mission. 24 million gain it experience and 35 million an hour.
League's task completed.
And 35 million construction.
League's task completed.
And here we have a very fast 100 Runescape bars and it's a 200 leagues point task. No, I missed it. 50 million prayer XP. I tell you, 25 million for 35 million for 50 million. 600 points out of it while doing absolutely nothing, AFKing here at the altar while editing my first episode. So you already saw that, hopefully.
So it's pretty good.
Oh hey, I hit 99 hit points and received 200 points. And we see us very soon. Yeah, like I said, 99 strength. Hey, why do you level up 99 defense without my permission? Yeah, I'm 99 defense now. 200 points again.
League's task completed.
200 points for reaching 99 attack. And max combat also 200 point task. So 400 points right here. We have basically maxed our combat stats if you overlook range. Oh yes, I have it. I have the clue step for Dagannoth Kings. Perfect. That's perfect, honestly. So what I want is the Echo, and I think the fastest way is to simply go down and kill Supreme, go up, go down, kill Supreme. Oh yes, finally! Okay, no clue how this goes.
Dying on my hardcore Iron Man. Completed.
Holy moly. Wow. I logged in and I hit 99 farming. Overgrown is such a good pick. Like no effort at all for 99 farming. Oh, this boss was so stupid. I hate it. Oh, this boss is so dumb. Like in terms of the other boss, the floor with the acid. No clue how to do this properly. But we have another mastery point for defeating the Echo boss. Let's put it in range. Alright, I did my entire task on Dagannoths. And I got not all rings, sadly, but I got quite some. Archer's ring, maybe I equipped it already, no points. Warrior's ring,
task completed.
80 points. Dragon axe, is this points? No. Mod battle staff.
League's task completed.
That's 2 tasks. Okay, nice. 160 points for this staff, particular. Nice.
League's task completed. Combat task. Slayer task completed.
Easy. And I know where to put this fire cape.
League's task completed.
200 points. First time here, killing a Ruxor, never been here before any time.
League's task completed.
Damage God book, okay.
League's task completed.
A complete God book for 200 points. Oh, finally, finally, I'm out of here. Oh. So this is the last and final ring I need.
League's task completed.
And it's 80 points for equipping the Berserker ring. And 200 points for equipping all of the rings. I got a 200 point task for this amulet, which I got dropped from Araxor. 50 KC, it's 80 points. I got 50 million defense experience by killing Araxor. And it's a 200 leagues points task, so let's switch over to attack. Yo! Yo! Yo, yo, yo! We have it! That's the one! That's the one! Oh, no way. That was super early. I mean, it's leagues.
League's task completed.
200 points for this bad boy. Alright, I'm finally getting my magic logs in my region.
League's task completed.
Also a leagues task. Nice. I'm not 75. Holy, I'm so dumb. Okay, let's do that first.
League's task completed.
Oh, finally done with this leagues task. This takes ages, honestly. And finally, I can build a magic birdhouse. Oh, well, well. An internal gem. At least those are points. But of course, everyone wants an imbued heart.
League's task completed.
200 points for this ring. Shout out to him. What in the world are those boots? They are better. Are they points?
League's task completed.
Oh, they are! I finally have a Dagannoth task and I can use this build now. And hope I'm not getting absolutely smacked on.
Dying on my hardcore Iron Man.
God damn it.
League's task completed.
And 50 million construction. It's just that easy, huh? It's very expensive though, of course, but I think it's worth it. With Golden God, the world is yours, honestly. I got 2000 total while doing Herb Lore, and it's a 200 point task. Nice. I got the cap up! Let's go! Oh, 80 points for this bad boy. Oh, it's quite the meme. It's quite the meme. Glad I have it.
League's task completed.
Oh, this was so good AFKing. It wasn't the best experience, but it's the best AFKing method. 200 points for 50 combat achievements. Oh my god. Something I didn't had in my sights. Yeah, that's great. That's absolutely great. Let's turn in some Scurious Spines. It's currently my way of training range. And another load. From 92 to 95. Hey, hey, hey. Look who's here. 200 points for 50 million strength experience.
League's task completed.
And here we have 99 range without even ranging. Like a very small part of the combat I did was range. So 200 points. I only need 100 points now. And yeah, there are creeping up some points, but I'm searching up something that gives me points the fastest. Alright, I think I found points in my bank. I was sure I equipped those, but let's find out.
League's task completed.
80 points for the pants.
League's task completed.
And another 80 points for the circle. And now I hit my final relic. Oh, that feels so good. Last sand, the one I'm going to pick. If I'm going to die, I'm not dying. Become invincible. 3 minutes, it's on cooldown. But for Dagannoth Kings Echoes, I think that's the one I need, honestly. So I have unlocked all the relics. Finally, I can play the game now. And yeah, I can choose my region, my last region, but I still don't know which one. And I still have a lot of things to do in my regions that I already have. Oh, I got the Emperor Ring! I got the Emperor Ring! Oh my god! Oh, this ring is so good! Look at its stats! It is crazy!
League's task
Oh,
completed.
80 points. 200 points for killing 25 Echo bosses. Yeah. Points doesn't matter now, anything. Like, it's just for the prestige now.
League's task completed.
99 Slayer! Let's go! The Amulet of the Monarchs! Here it is! It's finally here! 10 prayer, 15 melee strength, 15 range strength. Yeah, it would be handy if I'm having a boss where I have to melee and range. And yeah, attack bonuses plus 30.
League's task completed.
And it's 80 points.